Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video I'll explain how you can find screenshots which are taken on your mobile in your internal storage using this Files app. Nowadays most of the Android mobiles or every Android mobile is coming with this default Files app only. Means this is the Files app from the Google, which is a file manager app to check all the files which are stored on your mobile device, which may be photos, videos, etc. So first you need to open the Files app and see here. This is what the interface you'll see. You'll see recent here, downloads categories wise here, and at the bottom you'll find this internal storage. What you can do is by now I'll be checking with the internal storage. This is the proper way to check whether the screenshots or the WhatsApp images. And I also received the comment asking me like how to get to know the WhatsApp files so that they can transfer the media files to PC. Maybe they can copy WhatsApp photos or videos to the computer. So I'll be showing you that also. First of all, we'll see these screenshots, and here under the internal storage you will find this option called pictures. So just click on the pictures here, and from pictures you can find a folder called screenshots. Here you need to click on the screenshots, and right now there is no screenshot, not even a single screenshot saved. What I can do is I'll be quickly just taking one screenshot, and now I'll be going to the files. See here, this is the screenshot which is just got saved. So I'll be quickly just telling you the what is this navigation. Click on the Files app, click on the internal storage, then click on pictures, then click on screenshots. Okay, fine. Now where are the WhatsApp images? Okay, open Files app, click on the internal storage, then you'll find a folder called Android. Here you need to tap on this Android, then media, then com.whatsapp, then WhatsApp, then media, and here you will find all the WhatsApp subfolders and WhatsApp profile photos. This one, yeah, see here, this view is harder for me to check the names. I'll be changing the view here, and here I can click on the WhatsApp images, and these are all the WhatsApp images what I have received, and these are the ones which I have sent. So you'll have both the sent and the received photos and videos. Now you can connect a USB to your PC and copy it. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.